What's up, everybody? Bo is here. Thanks for being here. Sorry, apologize. It's been very busy. This month, no, this week we celebrate Lunar New Year. So we still celebrate today and gonna be busy at least half the day. That's why I'm wearing the lucky color for the new lunar year and forever lucky. Happy New Year, everybody. Just don't want to leave you hanging. I just want to give you a quick update on where we're at on the van. I have done a lot last week, but I did not record, make a lot of videos out of it. So first of all, I have cut. You can see I cut all the sides here and the top here also. Okay, and I have installed the our swivel table. Check this out. Woo-hoo. Super strong swivel table legs here. Yeah, this thing have to adjust a little, but yeah, look at this, strong. This is a larger size because this one you can do it horizontal, and then when you want to put away, you can flip it sideways to you know, so it's out of the way. You can flip it sideways, vertical like this, so it's out of the way, and then you can swing it away as well. So this is done. You just need a tabletop. I did install another drop down table here. You can see. Okay, look at this. Smooth. One on this side, one on the other side to extend the table, the countertop space. You got more than 7 feet of countertop on this side. Not all yet. I'm doing another one on this side. It's about another 2 feet on this side. So, you know, while the wife's cooking on this side, the husband can make his coffee on this side. Got the plug right here. It's loaded. Okay. Also, on this side, I'll show you in a minute. Another storage space I completed right here, and then look at this. The last cabinet is done. Look at that. Look at this, all these cabinets. These are 30 inches long each cabinet. 4 of these, that's what, 120 inches of cabinet long, and 24 inches, that's 72, that's 6 feet on that side of cabinet space. And then we got a swivel LED light here. You can illuminate here while you're cooking at night, and you can swivel it to toward the outside, and it also lights up the outside area. You know, you want to hang out on the outside of the campground and stuff. So it's both ways, both sides. It's a great idea. I still have, you know, 5-6 items to do before we complete, but we are really close to completion. I wanted to test out the water to make sure this all the connections are good, no leak, nothing. That's why I leave this for last, because the connection with the shower right here. Yeah, the problem with that is I just want to point out a little bit to you guys. Where'd it go? The water inlet that we use, this kind. This is very nice and you know, stable, easy to connect. You know, hands-free. You can control the water right here at the connection. Oops. But the thing is, this is male. and the water for the garden hose from the house or the campground is also male, so it won't work, right? That means you need the coupler right here. You need a female to female coupler. So keep that in mind if you buy this. I got one from Home Depot yesterday, but it's the wrong one. There you go. I tried to connect last night, it didn't work, but anyways, it's like $4. I ordered another one so we can fill up the water and test the hot and cold water, make sure it works. So okay, besides that, yeah, it's gonna be a quick video. Just want to give you a quick update of where we're at. We are 90% done. Okay, that 10% is just touch up. Oh, and the clear coat. We're gonna apply another clear coat. Look at this, it's still a partial of it done. Okay, now let me show you the storage on this side, which is a lot of storage in this van. Alright, so look at this storage right here. That's another 2 feet deep. You can this is meant to be for anything, but this is where we're gonna put the portable power station, so you can charge it right here with the solar. So it's ready to go. Okay, ready to go. I have switch right here for battery 1, battery 2. Right now we have on battery 1, so the solar is charging to the house battery right now. Later on you can connect the portable here, and then you can switch to number 2 or 1 and 2, charging both at the same time. Isn't that cool? Okay, just wanna give you a quick update on that. So that's it for this video, everybody. Bright, nice, beautiful day. We're gonna head out somewhere real quick and come back and continue to do. Oh, we're gonna do the shelf under the sink. Yeah, I forgot that part. So alright, see you next video. This is Bo. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.